Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, when it comes to New Zealand visa, the government has a service that is called visa verification service. So today we will walk through this service, we'll discuss about this service and we'll also try to create an account to use this service. But before I proceed further, I would like to clarify neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. My intention is to show you how to navigate through the service. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this New Zealand official immigration website. So you see that they have provided some explanation. This service allows user to register and verify the details of current New Zealand visas. Users need to get authorization from visa holders first. So if you are a visa holder, especially if you are from like if you got your visa through an agent, this is something you would like to verify, right? That if everything is correct or not, considering the level of scams today in today's world are happening. So it's really important. So if you click on this about the verification service, you're gonna get more information that it needs to be performed with the consent of the visa holder. Okay. Only when the user can demonstrate they know sufficient information about the visa holder. Identity assurance, privacy statement, complaints, login with Realme. So you need to have a Realme account to log in. We'll go through that. Now to use this, sometimes you may need to authorize some third party to check your visa status as well, maybe an institution or employer who wants to assign you work. So they want to make sure that you have the suitable visa. So it may be used there then as well. So the information you need to provide, uh, family name, passport, current passport name, date of birth, gender, visa. The third party service provider, if you provide, they'll be able to see the following details: visa type, start date, number of entries, client number, family name, given name, gender, passport number. Most of the important details they can see. And you can check your own visa details uh, as well. You can check your own visa details using the visa verification service. Okay. So you need to log in, right? So I'm gonna log in. So basically what happens is that it opens the Realme page. Let me log out and try again so that I can show you from scratch. Yeah. Yeah, this is what I want to tell you. Like first you need to have this Realme account. From here you can go inside and check your visa status. So I'm gonna enter my credentials and then I'm gonna get in. So now I logged in, and because I did not have my own um, visa verification account, that's why I got this screen, no account. You need to register first. So like as I said, you can provide to an employer or education provider so that they can check your visa details, but you can do it for yourself as well. So I click on create a visa verification service account. User type, I'm the visa holder, who you are, recruitment agency, and all other. So I select. I'm gonna put some sample details. Oh, sorry. Email address. So what are the information that needs to be input and output? Okay. They have given all the information. You can read, understand. Okay. Account created. Now I click on verify. So here I can put and I can the information I can click on check visa and I can find out because I don't have any visa for New Zealand at this moment, so I cannot use the service. But you got the idea, right? So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.